Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft skin if it's not showing multiplayer. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're currently in the game, make sure that you go to the main menu, okay? Exit out of the game and make sure that you're under the main menu, as you're just going to rejoin later. Alright, so in this section, just click on settings. And then in here, the left panel, we have general. Under general, scroll all the way down. Okay, this will work if you're using PC, a mobile device, or whatever device. Okay, just find only allow trusted skins. Enable it. If it's enabled, okay, you can toggle it off and toggle it back on. And then after that, just go ahead and go back, rejoin realms or any server. All right, or basically multiplayer. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix this issue, all right? Where your Minecraft skin or your friend's Minecraft skins are not showing in multiplayer. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.